I did it all by myself.
No help at all.
All by myself. Ta-da! I did it all by myself. It only took 20 odd minutes. So yeah, these handcuffs are pretty strong handcuffs. To be honest, I think handcuffs are a stupid idea sometimes. Because if I was a criminal, right, and I had handcuffs on and they were in front of us, they'll generally put them behind you, don't they?
Yes.
You see how many times I've been arrested.
3 more times than I've been arrested.
I've never been arrested. Never been handcuffed in my life other than when I've started a relationship with you. I was a lovely, sweet and innocent young lady who never knew the life of handcuffs or locks or anything like that. Anyway.
Yeah, they didn't have to handcuff you for that court appearance, did they?
I didn't have a court appearance! What are you talking about? I've never been to court. I've never even done jury duty. I really want to do jury duty. I know it's a weird thing. Everyone always complains about jury duty. But I actually really want to go and do jury duty to see what all the fuss is about. Like, I just think jury duty would be really interesting. Unless it's a really bad case. And then, like, I just like a jury duty for, like, you know, someone who, like, you know, might have, like, punched somebody. And then that's it. Because I might get a bit emotional otherwise if it's anything else. I don't do well with, like, murder and things. So, if I ever do jury duty, Mr. Judge Man, just put us in for the punch ones. I'll do well on them. They'll be guilty. No, well, they won't be guilty. I don't know if they'll be guilty. I need evidence.
Castle, or you would just be someone that's, like, getting arrested for punching a police horse or something.
That's not what we talk about anymore. Poor horse. Anyway, now everyone knows where we're from.
Well, because they couldn't guess by your accent at all.
I don't have an accent. I don't. Everyone always mistakes my accent. Say, comment down below if you actually thought that I was a Geordie from my accent, or if you thought I was somewhere else. Like Ireland, like everyone on my telephone calls at work thinks I'm from. It's hilarious. Anyway, back to these handcuffs. Stop being a distraction, Mr. Deadlocks. They're quite heavy. They're rigid. They fold in half when they want to. Don't ever, ever, ever stick them together and put your hand in. Otherwise, there's words that can describe you that are not YouTube friendly.
You have a new bracelet for life.
Yeah. Unless you want to go and tell the policeman that you did something stupid. And then they'll look at you like, what on earth is wrong with you? So yeah. And they're heavy. So if you didn't even want to wear them like as handcuffs and you just had them in your pocket, you could bash someone with them as like a weapon. So and then they have these silver bits. What? That are made out of steel. I was going to say aluminium, but it's definitely not aluminium. If it was aluminium, it would be light, and I probably could have escaped a lot quicker. Could have just used a pair of scissors then. But aluminium, yeah, aluminium is nothing. Aluminium is like you make aluminium cans.
That's steel as well.
That's not steel.
That's spring steel.
They're whatever. Either way,
you can actually get aluminium handcuffs.
They'll be super light though, and super easy to break out of. Will you stop wiggling around?
They'll be super light.
Stop wiggling.
But not really easy to get out.
Shush. In my opinion, to be easy to get out of, barely even an inconvenience. It'd just be like squishing a Coke can.
Okay.
You haven't got any, so don't even go there.
I know. But that.
That's not.
That's made out of.
It's titanium.
That's aluminium.
No, it's not.
It's aluminium.
No, it's
Squish
not.
it.
It's not aluminium at all.
It's aluminium.
It's not aluminium.
It is.
It's not aluminium. It doesn't say aluminium on it.
But it is aluminium.
It's not aluminium.
It is, because if it was steel, it would be a lot heavier.
It's not aluminium.
It is.
It's not.
It is.
It's definitely not. Definitely not. because he's wrong, because it's not aluminium. Either way, he's just lying and trying to make himself look popular, but he's not.
I'm trying to make myself look popular.
Yeah, you're trying to make yourself look popular. But yeah, these are handcuffs to lock people away. They don't use these anymore, do they? No.
HIATT is now TCH as well.
So it's taken over by somebody else.
Something like that. But TCH still make them. I think the TCH version still gets used.
Fair enough. But they're quite good and handy. I wouldn't want to wear them around like, you know, like police.
You wouldn't want to wear them while you're doing your hoovering.
Definitely not. I don't know why you would want to do that, but anyway. But no, I was going to say, I wouldn't want them like attached to my belt because I feel like they're quite heavy. They might pull your pants down.
Only if your trousers and your belt don't fit properly.
They might not. It would be a weight on your belt as well, and it would like bash off your leg, and I bet you end up with like a bruise on your leg. Come here, I can bash you on the leg for a bit, and we'll see if it bruises you.
No thanks.
Sure. But these are handcuffs, and they do what they say on the tin. The cuff hands. And
I'm not sure what you're trying to do.
I don't know. I was trying to see if you elongate a pocket pick would pick it.
That one won't, no.
Why even bother? But yeah, this is my review of these handcuffs. They're good handcuffs for bad people.
They're the good handcuffs for naughty people as well.
Whatever you get up to in your own time is in your own time. We do not need to discuss this on YouTube right now. But be safe and don't stick your hands in 2 in 1 because it's a stupid idea. Are you just leaving me floundering?
Wait, it's your review. You can end it any time you want.
But I don't know what else to say. The handcuffs, they lock your hands away.
If it's your review and you can end it any time you want and you have nothing else to say, wouldn't that mean it's a good time to end the review?
Maybe.
So what do we say when we're ending?
That's all from us today.
See you next time.
Bye. You gonna stop recording?
No.
Why?
I thought that wasn't right.
And then you do it.
Well, you do it. It's your review.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.